Chamisa appoints acting MDC Alliance president. MDC Alliance leader Nelson Chamisa, who lost his mother last week after a short illness, has appointed one of his deputies, Welshman Cube, as the party's acting president with immediate effect. Chamisa's spokesperson Kilielko Sibanda confirmed the development yesterday. The president of the MDC Alliance, advocate Nelson Chamisa, has, with immediate effect, appointed Vice President Welshman Cube to act as president. This appointment is in line with the rotational acting appointments of the office, Sibanda said. Sibanda said Cube would act as a party leader until further notice. In addition, ZANU-PF National Political Commissar Victor Maitmadanda has urged MDC supporters to dump Nelson Chamisa and support MDCT Secretary General Douglas Monzora. In a press briefing, Maitmadanda said Monzora's supporters must throw Chamisa into the political dustbin. Said Maitmadanda, those who voted for Monzora ahead of Chamisa for the post of Secretary General of the MDC in their last Congress should now stand up and throw Chamisa to the political dustbin. We urge the real MDC supporters to democratically elect a successor to Morgan Tsvangirai. The MDC is now losing its ethos to the self-aggrandizement of the megalomaniac Chamisa.
Yeah.